It's peak summer, but the tropics are quiet. So there is some good news in the weather forecast. Take a look at things going on right now. You have rain that's over towards the northeast along the coastline. There is going to be a threat, though, for severe weather inland today and tomorrow from another wave coming through the atmosphere, a wind damage threat there. Down towards the south, let's take a look at things down the Carolinas, where you do have right here flash flooding still ongoing from all of the rainfall there. Flood watch is up in North Carolina. Over towards the heartland, you've got showers and thunderstorms over in Iowa. Let's take a look here in Nebraska. Heavy rainfall going on. Heat and dryness out for the desert southwest. Red flag warnings going on there. Illinois, special weather statements from all of the rain. You've got flooding here back toward Mississippi, obviously over towards the Mississippi River. You have a flood advisory. So there's a lot going on across the country. Pacific Northwest, you've got a gale warning from a storm coming on shore there, a bunch of wind. Okay, so there's a lot going on, but the tropics here out in the Atlantic right now, the Atlantic Basin, which includes the Gulf, the Atlantic Ocean, the Caribbean, right now that is quiet. It will be quiet for a couple of weeks. So that's the look at things going on the larger scale. We're going to have fronts coming through, especially here towards the heartland, the Ohio Valley, and whatnot. So because of that, you're going to have another threat for severe weather. Level 1, 2, and even up to a level 3 threat. And then for the Northeast, you've got this front that's been hanging out now for several days here. Some waves coming through that will trigger some severe thunderstorms and even some torrential downpours in the forecast here. I'll show you that front in more detail. This front has not gone anywhere for a long time, right? And that's been the trigger mechanism, the focus for the showers and the thunderstorms, right? Here's a new front coming in to the high plains that's going to set off more showers, thunderstorms, and as is summertime, torrential downpours in the forecast. So let's look at things now. The Northeast, the Mid-Atlantic, and then I'll zoom into Maine in more detail and the northern New England. You see here into Friday. Now tomorrow, on Friday, notice how much things want to clear out, right? So we're getting a break from all the heavy rain. However, there will still be Friday evening, especially in the afternoon. You see here the pop-ups happening. Showers, thunderstorms, torrential downpours in the forecast. Now I'm going to reset things, show you Thursday afternoon. Here is your rain pushing east. Now this computer model is pushing the rain off the coast of Maine a little bit quicker than is happening. That tends to happen with these models here. Then this afternoon, there will be a threat for severe weather that's popping up with that wind threat. So I'm going to zoom in now and show you that in more detail. See here, as you see the shower and thunderstorm activity going on here. So this is Maine. This is Friday. Now Friday is your day where things are going to clear out a bunch. Now there's only a few showers up here, North Katahdin region, and also up in the county Friday late in the afternoon, but the rest of the state clear. Now let's reset it and get you back into Thursday in just a second. The map's going to reset and I'll show you Thursday. So today you have some scattered showers and thunderstorms inland as that rain pulls off the coast this morning through midday. And then more showers, thunderstorms, Boundary Plateau, Allagash, Clayton Lake, and another round comes through into Thursday night and Friday morning. So there will be leftover showers, thunderstorms, western mountains in the Oxford Hills, also back towards New Hampshire, okay? So be prepared for that in the forecast as I show you that in more detail there. And that is going to be today. It's more rain today than tomorrow. Let's get those cameras up across the state. We've got rain right now in Portland. Some light showers to clearing loose in Auburn, Eastport. Mostly cloudy, Bangor mostly cloudy, but up in the county right now it's clear, but that's going to change, okay? So up in the county, you're going to see showers and thunderstorms later on today. So it's thunder inland, but a decent weekend is shaping up, and I'm going to show you that now in my 10-day forecast. So here's the 10-day forecast. Scattered thunderstorms in the mountains. Friday, it's scattered thunderstorms again, and then we clear out for the weekend. On Monday, there will be some showers around. Now, I've kept the humidity and the muggy meter down to moderate or low, so I don't have it up there until Thursday of next week. That's when humidity really is going to go up for the mountains, with temperatures there getting a lot warmer, 80s. Now, inland, I did forget to put the muggy meter on here, but you just have it up from Saturday on. Okay, it's going to be hot and humid from Saturday on, even really you can say Friday too. But really the theme here is going to be light rain today. It's mostly the coast this morning. Okay, and then on Friday, a few inland thunderstorms I showed you there on the maps. And then Saturday and Sunday. Now, I want to say it's not going to be a completely perfect dry weekend. There will be some pop-up showers, but right now, more likely Sunday than Saturday, okay? And it's not going to be widespread. I still would make all plans outdoors this weekend, and I would not expect there to be any significant issues, okay? And then next week, we heat up. Humidity is going to surge quite a bit, and we'll be back in the 90s, mid-90s with the humidity, okay? At the coastline, humid from Friday on, only because of the rain today and the cooler weather coming in from the northeast, that we have 60s for highs, 71 tomorrow. A few thunderstorms, but really not a big deal Friday at all at the coastline. And it's really not until next week heat and humidity is going to be here every day. There'll be some pop-up showers, but there's no severe weather threat for the coast. There's no significant threat for the coast. Okay, this is all pretty typical summertime stuff in the forecast. So do not expect things to be stopping you from doing anything outdoors the next several days. Just keep an eye to the sky. There will be a few lightning bolts here or there, but nothing significant.